If you're curious about cutting-edge tech, then you need to know about quantum computing. Let's dive in. Quantum computing is a game changer in the tech world. Unlike classical computers that use bits, those familiar 0s and 1s, quantum computers use qubits. Qubits can be both 0 and 1 at the same time, thanks to a phenomenon called superposition. This superpower lets quantum computers process massive amounts of data at lightning speed, and then there's entanglement. Think of it as a mystical connection between qubits, where changing one instantly affects the other, no matter the distance. This makes quantum computing incredibly powerful for specific tasks. Real-world uses: quantum computers could revolutionize cryptography, drug discovery and optimization problems. Think faster delivery routes and smarter financial models. Big names like IBM, Google and Microsoft are leading the charge, but we're still in the early days. Challenges like qubit stability and error rates need to be tackled, yet the future is dazzlingly bright. So next time you hear quantum computing, you'll know it's not just sci-fi. It's the future unfolding right before us.